You already know what time it is. Yo, Dan Mafia, you don't know, so the Dan is back in the building, you know, back in the lab. And you see what I deal with today. Yeah, man, they have Mr. Uncle D, man. You don't know where I did the Spartan boss. You see me, I say? The man right now, whether I would say the father or grandfather of enough of these youths right now in the dancehall game. Enough youth around them style. You know what I'm saying? And youth you see around the darkness. You see me? The horrorcore dancehall. Just no say. Tamale was the pioneer. You see me, I say? And we're there with none other than Tamale Sparta. What's the name? Heh Heh. I'll check it out and see what dog I deal with. Yeah, man, Tamale definitely pioneer his version of dancehall called horrorcore dancehall. Yeah, man, a lot of these new artists definitely running with Tamale style. If you know music, you know music. You see me and say, yeah, man, if you know music, you know what's on the line, me I tell, man. Yeah, man, gang. But yeah, man, Tamale Sparta there on the one named Heh Heh. We'll check it out and see what dog I deal with. Yeah, man. You know, Tamale gave a lot of these new artists their number one hits as well. You see me? Dog definitely put it in work when he came in the game. Definitely solidified himself as one of the new dancehall greats. You see me? I say? And he's still doing his thing. So shout out to Tamale, man. But yeah, man, I check jumping at vibes. So they want them Tamale Sparta, Heh Heh. Yeah, man. With Tamale, I expect wicked flow, wicked vibes, music, lyrics. You see me? I say? Yeah, man. Let's check it out. Tamale Sparta, Heh Heh. Let's get it.
Yo, DJ, under the body top, under the hype. Touch it, make a song, they watch be a dolly wine. Henny spin ahead, a bitch a dance, touch it.
Under the what? Under the vibes. Touch, make a song, they watch be a dolly wine. What you mean, man? Bumbo, dolly Sunday.
Touch it, make a song, they watch be a dolly wine. Henny spin ahead, a bitch a dance, dirty like. Watch it up in man, yai. I be a dopey night.
Be a dopey night dance, man. I want to tell you, say, them man are running free man style, you know, man.
From me, little, me, rude. Them dead I know. Heh heh heh, me no do talk. Open up the head and make them looking at that. Pull up on a big as is a gal a jump up. Looking at mine is a bag of
man say, me no do talk. Open up the head and make you looking at your thoughts. Boy, I Chakka Riddim. Chakka. Oh shit, I the Chakka Riddim. Big up family, man. The Spartan boss, man. But mama shake like a blood clot earthquake. What the hell with Jamaica?
them dead I know. Heh heh heh, me no do talk. Open up the head and make them looking at your thoughts. Pull up on a big as is a gal a jump up. Looking at mine is a bag of gold ball. Make a don't mean say you get the whole clip.
Mama easy, man. Yeah, man. Shake your mama give your girl.
Hold on, panic, got me gal a bust the pumpy. Ratchet slice neck, girl, watch a big smile.
Say, hold on, panic, got me gal a bust the pumpy. I want to hear, man.
Inna them it, broke down style. In I road, sick in I mind. Watch you make a fuck a couple million night. Step in her beats, watch it go fly. Big body gal a suck the cock in I ride.
Yeah, man, big body. Let's watch you go. Hey, yeah, man. Look, hey, vibes, man. When Tamale touch a track, you know that. Come in.
Sick in I mind. Watch you make a fuck a couple million night. Step in her beats, watch it go fly. Big body gal a suck the cock in I ride.
Which is right. Bumbleclaw, watch it beast, bro. Watch it go fly, man. Big body girl. You see me, I do the things them in the ride, man. Mama easy, you know, man. Hey, mama, also the guy, she got a little slim thick going on, alright?
Whip on feet, Rocky all white. Brick on steel like with the pan side. Chai them a bleed, she say me smell sweet. She and her friend was licking at cream. Everybody come under the eye.
Yeah, I read. She said me smell sweet. See, Fia and her friend knows a licking at the creed, brother. Oh, I'm telling you, Colonna beat them bad, man. You see me, Colonna lick them over their head top. Boof, buff, boof. Girl, oh, I'm telling you, man, smell good round here, man. When you pass it off a ton, man. You see me, that beat them with a broadboard. Yeah, man.
Touch it, make a song, they watch be a dolly wine. Henny spin ahead, a bitch a dance dirty like. Watch it up, man, yeah, I be a dopey.
Say, Henny see in her head, the girl a dance dirty like. You don't know, you know, the NSC, you know. You don't know what the NSC do, you know, man. You see me? Yeah, man, when I'm on the NSC, you the only thing I see. Hey, come on.
Under the vibe, under the hype, under the vibe. Big body girl a wine for the clean now. Big dirty tattoo on her back, she bleach out. Rich nigga, they a coffee fuck his street out.
I love so when woman wine in a dog. It's a different thing from twerking in a man and woman are wine, you know. Yeah, see, I do the most of that body, though. Hey, come on,
Automatic the clip of people. Family can me roll back, family can me I keep it clocking nice go back. Cocky balaka, but me friend a rock to rock.
I said, bumbo clap, family can me I keep it clocking at the school, but I want to pull it up.
Take the clip of people. Family can me roll back, family can me I keep it clocking nice go back. Cocky balaka, but me friend a rock to rock. Shut up, make a mag at the
The balaclava, my friend, are door rock, brother. I'm here.
Daddy, daddy, come, hand, daddy, high. Touch it, make a son, they watch me a daddy wine. Any spin ahead, a bitch, a dance, dirty line. Watch it up, man, yeah, I be a dopey night.
Watch it up, man, yeah, I be a dopey night. Here, man, behave yourself, youth. Know where I do.
Under the vibe, under the vibe, under the
Mike Arena, Junior.
Under the vibe. Head side, she head side. She lick her head side. She has to make a.
Bumbuckrat, I lick up. My head lick, man. You don't know where she a do, man. I can realize over here. Yeah, man, me tell you, man, family. When it comes to vibes, club tune, party tune, family gonna always slap, bro. You see me? Family gonna always have that tune there. You gonna always have the club bangers and the strip club bangers. You know what I'm saying? No cap. Listen to the tune, man. You hear this in the club right now. You know this shit going crazy, right? And if you're in that strip club, you know say the girl going crazy on the floor, right? Yeah, man. Mad tune, man. You know what I'm saying? Don't make a be a dolly wine. Yeah, man. A strip club, you know? Yeah, man. Family Sparta gonna always have these bangers, man.
If you get a high five, say if me no fucking me not get the Wi-Fi. Head side, she lick her head side. When time me a fuck it, she a tell me take time. If the bitch up if you go fuck me, no let me take.
Head side, she lick her head side. You see, when me a fuck, she a talk about take time. Take time, walk.
Time if the bitch up if you go fuck me, no let me take time. Daddy, daddy, come and daddy high. Touch it, make a son, they watch me a daddy wine. Any spin ahead, a bitch a dance dirty line. Watch it up, man, yeah, I be a dopey night. Heh heh, under the high, under the high, under the.
Cleat out here, man. The dog can't come with the. I come with the.
Under the high.
Family Sparta, the Spartan boss. Yeah, man, the one name Heh Heh. But on them now. Spartan boss is out doing his thing, you know. It's a good look, it's a good vibe. I enjoy that one. I always enjoy family songs and music, you see me? Not really too expect less from the Spartan boss, you know. You see me? Family, you know, not too miss. Not too know if you really actually ever miss, but if you ever miss, me know you not too miss. You see me? I say, never buy a song. You never play a song I can't kind of say, yo, this is just totally trash. I can't listen to it. You know what I'm trying to say? Might not be your vibe or something you play every day, but you can't say, yo, this song is totally trash. But yeah, man. Family definitely find that one. That one is definitely is a club bang. I can hear this as a club bang, a club smash. You see me? I say? Yeah, man. The vibes, girl, them go love the one day, but dog, them go love the one day. It's a vibe tune, man. You see me? Yeah, man. Like the one. Family, keep on doing thing. Tell them, man. Man, a pioneer in a dancehall. Man, come with their own genre right now. You see me? Hardcore dancehall. All that dark stuff. Family started that shit. Cartel kind of introduced on Ray. Family really honed that, you know, genre and make it his own type shit. You know what I'm trying to say? But yeah, man. Family definitely are doing things. Definitely put in the work. Definitely wanna dance a legend. You know, dance are great. You see me? Definitely gotta go down in the issue. So he's a father, grandfather, a lot of these new artists. You see me? I say, yeah, as much as they wouldn't admit it, but the craft, the Roger Wild, the who else? Anybody who deal with the dark, you see me? The Beaker them. You see me? I say, yeah, I'm definitely a product of my family. You don't know if they want to admit it, but don't shoot the messenger. You see me? Just a thought facts. You see me? I say, Well, yeah, man, let me know anything more down there. That's Tamale Sparta. Hey, hey. If you like it, if you can show the artists and love and support. Hey, you know, sir, Jam Biscuit and sending you. You see me, the latest reaction channel on YouTube, man. We do the real music and do the real work on the music, you know. Everybody else is a fake. You see me, I say, yeah, man. So, make you know, say, yo, Jam Biscuit and sending you. Let's discuss it. What's your favorite part? The lyrics, the beat, the melody, the video. You see me? Let's discuss. Let's chop it up. And let me know what you want me to react to next, and I definitely get it done. So, drop your requests. You're going to get your shout out for sure, for sure. And if you're still watching this, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Clearly, you like the video. That's why you make it all the way to the end. So make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, man. Show your boy some support, man. You see me? I don't be asking much, but hit that like button. Help my channel grow up. The videos go up more. You see me, so help your boy out. Don't cost nothing. You see me? From you don't bad mind and your heart clean, don't take don't feed the like button. You see me? I say, gang. Yeah, man. You don't know. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. I know what I love you guys.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a Chakka selector.